What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. If you guys follow the channel, you know we just recently did our unboxing and first look of these babies right here, the Nothing Ear A's, which are meant to be an entry-level, more cost-efficient pair of headphones that still offers ANC and some great features. In that video, what I did also was let you guys know we would be doing a comparison against these right here, these Nothing Ear 2s, in comparison, like I said, with the Nothing Ear A's. So obviously these are last year's model. These are not the new Nothing Ears or the V3. However, they are very similar design wise. So I wanted to go ahead and utilize this and show you guys both of these side by side. Now, having said that, this isn't going to be a very in-depth, feature-rich, technical video. I want to more talk about the physical differences here and show you guys a couple of the key specs. Having said that, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing right off the bat, when you see both of these side by side, is you can recognize the different design language in the actual charging case. So whereas this one and all prior models, aside from the ear stick, were in a square charging case, this is definitely more rectangular in nature and almost has a clearer look. I'm not sure if that's just due to a frostedness or if it's just due to the color pattern on the Nothing Ears, but the Ear A's definitely do look more visible in what you have in the case. Aside from this, the little dimple, obviously, that a lot of people like to utilize as a little fidget toy to spin this around is obviously not present in here anymore. However, when you open the charging case, you still have your single LED light on the side. It has just switched from the right to the left, and your actual syncing button is now right on the right side of the case instead of on the front side by the actual charging port. Speaking of which, they all do still charge via USB-C. The cases themselves do still utilize those magnets to open and close, and they are still pretty petite in size. Nothing states that they were motivated to design it like this as a pill case. That was where the inspiration was taken from. Take that for what you want, but that is what they are claiming. And then also, these actually new Nothing Ear A's have 45 decibels of noise cancellation. It is much stronger than what you get on the prior generation Nothing Ear 2s. It does have smart noise cancellation as well, adaptive ANC. It has extra drivers that they say will protect each and every detail of your high notes to hit deeper, and lows feel much more richer than what you'd have on prior generations. And obviously they have that new bass enhancement algorithm and all of that stuff. The best part is that it stayed true for all of these generations is the fast charge capability. 10 minutes of charge will give you plenty of time, specifically 10 hours on a charge. They do have capabilities of dual connection. They have low lag modes, clear voice technology, and 9.5 hours of music playback. And compare that to last year's, or to the Nothing Ear 2s, that is actually 45.5% more nonstop playing time. So that is pretty awesome. You can actually stretch that time to over 42.5 hours if you have ANC turned off. I would imagine a lot of people keep it on, but another good call out there. So aside from that, let's actually get these buds out of the case and actually take a look. So same kind of thought process. You have your colored red dots down below, and design language is very similar. To be honest with you, if you had these in the same color, just looking at them, it is very difficult to see the difference. You can see that possibly other mic right here is not present on the Nothing Ear A's, but aside from that, let me try to put these down and you guys can see just how comparable and comparable they are as it tries to run away. Another mic down below. So there are a couple of noticeable physical differences on that aspect, but the actual earpiece themselves, again, very, very similar. Same sort of magnetic case, which aligns them right in. You can see it. If you don't put it in right, it'll try to pull it and do that for you. So yeah, I actually really do like the design here. Again, not any transparency on the back of this case where you do have those, you can see the magnets where those headphones are latching on the bottom here. So small differences, but physically, again, pretty similar. I'm not going to drag this video out, guys. Like I said, this wasn't meant to be very technical. Sorry if you guys got disappointed by that, but physically, very comparable. I think the value for these $100 Nothing Ears A's are going to be the way to go. I'm going to start using them and putting them through the test, and we will do a full review coming soon. Make sure to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel to get notified when those go live. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.